Life of Yogi Milarepa. In the beautiful region of Gungthang, Tibet, a boy named Milarepa was born into a wealthy family. His early years were filled with joy and prosperity, but tragedy struck when his father passed away, leaving the family vulnerable. Milarepa's greedy uncle and aunt seized all their wealth, leaving Milarepa, his mother Kargyen, and his sister Pita impoverished. They were forced to live as servants in their own former home, enduring harsh treatment and endless toil. Overwhelmed by their suffering, Kargyen, Milarepa's mother, urged him to learn black magic. "Go, my son," she pleaded, "and avenge the wrongs done to us. Make them regret their cruelty." Milarepa, though hesitant, felt the weight of his mother's pain. Driven by his mother's plea, Milarepa journeyed far to seek a powerful sorcerer. He found Lama Yungten Trogyal of Yarlung, a master of dark arts, and diligently learned the destructive spells and rituals. Milarepa returned, filled with a terrible power. During a wedding feast at his uncle's house, he unleashed a devastating spell. The house collapsed, killing many, including his uncle's son and several guests. Not long after, Milarepa conjured a massive hailstorm that utterly destroyed his uncle's crops, leaving their fields barren and their livelihood ruined. His revenge was complete, but a deep, unsettling emptiness began to grow within him. The joy of revenge was short-lived. Milarepa was plagued by immense remorse and guilt for the lives he had taken and the suffering he had caused. He realized that true happiness lay not in vengeance, but in seeking the path of Dharma. Determined to purify his negative karma, Milarepa sought a true spiritual master. He heard of the great translator and yogi, Marpa Lotsawa, and embarked on a long and arduous journey to find him. Marpa, knowing Milarepa's past, subjected him to severe trials. He commanded Milarepa to build and demolish several stone towers, one after another, refusing to give him teachings until his karma was purified through immense physical labor and unwavering obedience. After enduring years of these grueling tasks, Milarepa's resolve remained unbroken. Marpa, finally satisfied that Milarepa's negative karma was sufficiently purified, accepted him as a true disciple and bestowed upon him the profound teachings of the Mahamudra. Milarepa then retreated to remote mountain caves, dedicating himself entirely to meditation and ascetic practice. He lived on nettles, enduring extreme hardships, but his spiritual realization deepened with each passing day. Through his unwavering dedication, Milarepa attained full enlightenment, becoming one of Tibet's most revered yogis and poets. He taught countless disciples, inspiring generations, with his life story of transformation from a black magician to a Buddha.